Hey guys, this is Sam from Ghlsaaskits, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can add a scrolling text background for our GoHighLevel pages. Okay, so before getting started, let me show you the example how our scrolling text actually looks like. Okay, you can see here we have some logos, and this is our as seen in section in our page, and under these logos we have a scrolling text effect, and this actually showing the text as seen in. Okay, so you can use this type of scrolling text on your as seen in section or your testimonial section. Here is another example. You can see in this example we have the testimonials, and under this we have scrolling text. Okay, so like this you can add in any section you actually need to do this type of scrolling text. Okay, so let me show you how we can do this real quick. Okay, first of all, go to the page builder. Okay, here is the editor of GoHighLevel page. So I already added the logos, okay, to make the video faster, and then I'm going to apply the code. Okay, so all you just need to add your elements from GoHighLevel. It can be the images like this, I added the logos, or it can be the your video, whatever element you actually need to add on your section. Okay, so let me grab the code first. Okay, so this is our Ghlsaaskits members area. Here you will get the code, then just copy this CSS and go back to your GoHighLevel, and then click settings, and from there select custom CSS, put the code here. And then one more thing we need to do, for this section, okay, just click this gear icon, and from there go to advanced tab, and you will find this CSS selector. Okay, just click this button to copy this selector. Okay, just copy it and then go back to your CSS and replace this CSS selector from here. Okay, I just replaced, and then you add your own text. Okay, if it's a seen in section, then don't worry, you don't need to change the text. But it's if it's for testimonial or any other section or any other text you want to show as a scrolling background, then you just need to replace this text. Okay, and then click save. Once you saved, it will be showing. You can see the text is now scrolling, and then let me save the page and preview it. Okay, if everything goes well, then on the live preview it will actually show the scrolling text. So now you can see under the logos we have the scrolling text which is as seen in. Okay, so you can, as I said, you can add this in any section based on your use case. So that's pretty easy, right? So that's it for this video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video, and also don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, because we are making so many different type of code snippet for GoHighLevel to make the funnel and website more professional and functional. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video again, and have a nice day.